before his throne. He will mend it and welcome you to his home. Place your trust in his loving care, and you will find a friend fairer than 10,000, a king who loves you with all that he is. You are not alone, for there is a King upon his throne. The Son of the Father, the Savior